Hi, I'm Jeff Lloyd with Draeger. I'm here to talk today about our Draeger SCBA, the new 18 edition standard. This is the unit. It probably looks very similar to units that you have seen in the past. That's because there are very few external changes from our 13 edition. First of all, I wanted to talk about some of the things that make us different. Obviously, to pass NFPA, you have to take air from the cylinder, put it through the regulators and into your facepiece. Those standards have been met with this edition. The other things that make us different are what set us apart from the other two. The first thing is the waist strap. You can see how nice and wide it is, padded closed cell foam. It also twists side to side, pivots in and out, and up and down. Why is that different, or why is that important? It's important because it gives you the mobility as you're crawling, climbing a ladder, simply stepping up into the truck, or when you're twisting, pulling ceiling with that long pike pull, it gives you the flexibility without having to feel like you have a 2x6 strapped to your back. The other thing that we do different is we have an adjustable back plate. We have 3 adjustments. We have the standard, we have the medium, and for me, the extra large. This places the strap on your shoulder to give you the flexibility, to give you the comfort so that you're not straining under the weight. You wear this on your waist, on your hips, so that your hip bone, your muscle mass there takes all of the weight, and the shoulder straps really are just there to keep the back plate on your back. The other things that you may not know about are we now have to have a black box. If you have our units from the past, you already have a black box. It's a recording device, it's in the past, and it records date, stamp, and time, the events that happen, air pressure and alarms. This can be used, if you want to, on an annual basis for air management practice, so you can get a baseline and then see each year how things change with each individual firefighter. The other items that I wanted to talk about are the masks. This is a standard mask. You will no longer see the button on top to dislodge, to doff the regulator. Instead, we've moved the buttons to the sides of the regulator. We also have the facepiece with the comm unit. This is the comm 5000. It's simply a voice amplifier. Has speakers on both sides and has good, clear communications. The other unit that we have that you may not know about is our comm 7000. This also has voice amplifier on either side, but you'll see the speakers at the ears. That is because this unit has a 900 megahertz radio that's built in. It's a short range radio. It's good for 300 feet line of sight outside of the building, approximately 90 feet inside of a building, depending on the construction. If you have a team in the basement and a team on the second floor, and they are on the same channel, they can communicate to each other. It is voice activated, so there's nothing they have to use their hands for. And it is crystal clear communication. No more yelling, no more screaming, just normal talking. It does not go out over the 911 tapes. It's not recorded. In fact, command can't even hear you unless they stand and listen with a facepiece. It's all about communications on the fire ground. What is important to you? Communications is paramount, and we have provided an intercom-like system that will keep you safer and give you better communications throughout the course of the incident. Again, if you have any questions, please call your Banner rep, and they will be more than happy to get you the information.